Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to cook the books. To cook the books is to use creative accounting practices by recording misleading information on financial records. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. The company was in trouble for cooking the books. They misled shareholders and lenders while not paying their fair share of taxes. Many businesses cook the books from time to time, having one set of books for the government and another for shareholders. Today's idiom is to cook the books, to use creative accounting practices by recording misleading information on financial records. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.